Stair lift chairs. How do stair lift chairs work? How much do they cost? How hard are stair lift chairs to install? These are important questions, but before you start shopping, it's important to understand three things. Number one, it's your home. It's where you're most comfortable. You shouldn't have to move simply because the stairs are difficult or dangerous. And three, you have fond memories and comfort where you are right now. Why not make the home adapt to you as opposed to you adapting to the home? A stair lift chair safely and slowly moves you up and down any stairs, anywhere. Price is determined by the number of steps, the curves of your stairs, and the brand that you want. Bottom line, it's much more affordable to purchase a stair lift than to move. It's the safest option without moving to a ranch home or assisted living. Installation is a breeze and generally can be done in less than a day. For your no-obligation review, call Harmony Home Medical at 858-560-8177 today. That's 858-560-8177.